Welcome to EagleAir TV. I'm Sam Krause.
And I'm Noah McWhorter. Today we're going to start our broadcast off with a look at Nixa girls soccer.
Victoria Blount has the story.
So far the girls soccer team are 3-3 and have been working hard for a great season.
Put a group of people together to have a common goal and to try to achieve those goals is a real challenge.
Games are open for anyone who wants to watch, and the team would love the support from fellow students.
We opened with a win against Kickapoo, which that was a really good game, and then ever since then we've had really close games with really good teams, and it's always been a battle, and we've always competed with those teams.
During practices they start with a warm-up and do a technical activity that helps them play better.
Hey, we've got a great team this year. Both the JV and the varsity are off to great starts, and we encourage everyone to come out and watch them play. Impressed with the level of play that we have here at Nixa.
This is Victoria Blount signing out for EagleAir TV.
Thanks, Victoria. Whenever spring finally decides to hit, it's always fun to make spring foods for the season.
Hannah McCauley explains how to make decadent spring cupcakes.
In a large bowl, cream butter, sugar, and beaten eggs one at a time. In a separate bowl, mix flour, baking powder, and salt. Add flour mixture to the eggs, butter, and sugar. Alternate with milk until all is added. Stir in vanilla. Heat oven to 375 and then line the cupcake tins with cupcake wrappers and bake for about 18 to 20 minutes. For the icing, mix powdered sugar and butter until creamed. Add vanilla and 1 tablespoon of milk. Gradually beat in the milk until the mixture is smooth with no clumps. Add food coloring and decorate the cupcakes. And now you're done.
At the end of a long school career, it's hard for seniors to push through those last few days.
Eventually it hits all of us, and when it does, it's devastating. Tyler Bertrand provides a look at Senioritis.
I only have a few weeks left, man. Then we're out.
Why are we still here?
Hey, where are you two supposed to be? Get back to class, now!
Nah, I'll do it later.
Do it!
Nixa students have been putting in years of work, but in their final weeks, senioritis has been taking its toll.
Well, I'll tell you this, senior year has been very different from me than these past few years. But as far as like the senioritis goes, the actual senioritis, it didn't really kick in until about maybe this last semester.
Did you seriously just ask me about my senioritis? It's not looking that great. Like, it's very bad. And, you know, like, it's not that big of a deal because, you know, it's just school and, like, you're gonna go to college someday and then life will be okay. So, you know, you just gotta go with the flow.
Many seniors have developed methods of dealing with senioritis.
The start of senior year, I mean, it pretty much just felt like every other year. I mean, we've been doing this for like, what, 13 years now? Ever since kindergarten. And at first I'm just thinking, yeah, it's just gonna be another school year. Let's just buckle down, work hard, and get this done.
Like, plug in your earbuds and just like zone everything out, and then go home, take a really fat nap, and just like de-stress out.
I take naps after school, and I just pretty much snack throughout the day, honestly.
After the first semester, after Christmas, after New Year's Eve, I thought to myself, dude, I've got only one semester left and I'm done with school. And then afterwards, it's just life.
Try to show up and take lots of naps. It'll help.
Some seniors have plans for the future. That's what helps get them through.
I recently got accepted to College of the Ozarks, and I plan on going there for my first 4 years, get my bachelor's, and wherever else that takes me.
I'm gonna do my OTC with my A+ money and get a business degree.
It is clear that not even the likes of Senioritis can get Nixa seniors down. This is Tyler Bertrand signing off for EagleAir.
Thanks, Tyler. Nixa's foreign language department is taking students on a life-changing journey through Europe.
They will soon have a chance to visit Spain and Italy.
In the summer of 2019, Nixa students will be taking a trip to Spain and Italy.
We're going to go to Rome, Florence, and Barcelona, as well as other small towns in both Italy and Spain. We'll see the Colosseum and the Vatican in Rome, and the Duomo in Florence, and also go to the Salvador Dali Museum in Figueres, Spain. These are just the highlights. There's so many other things. There's too many to mention.
Nixa high school teachers do these trips to give students a once-in-a-lifetime experience.
It's an experience like no other for students. It's just you know, a learning and cultural experience that you just can't get anywhere else. They also get to hear and use other languages in everyday situations, and it really helps them be more confident in their language skills and their social skills. They can sign up for the trip by going to the website that is on the posters around school, or also scanning the QR code that's on those. Sign up is super easy, and all the information is on the website, and there's lots of payment plans to choose from.
Make sure you sign up soon so you don't miss out on the temporary discount. For EagleAir TV, I'm Sam Krause.
And now we're going to take a look at our announcements.
Hello Nixa High School, welcome back to your announcements.
Attention seniors, your project graduation forms are due Friday, April 20th.
Thinking about going to Italy and Spain? Well, now you and your parents have the opportunity to do so next year in June. Attendees will be able to go to places like ancient Rome, Barcelona, Spain, or Florence, Italy. Attendees will also be able to go to exciting scenery ranging from nature walks to modern architecture. Want to learn more? Go to one of your foreign language teachers for more details.
Capture your prom memories with professional photos taken by the journalism staff.
Thank you for tuning in to your announcements. It's been a great time with you all again. Have a good day.
That's all for today's broadcast. Signing off for EagleAir TV, I'm Sam Krause.
And I'm Noah McWhorter, signing off for EagleAir TV for the final time. Be sure to follow us on all our social media. Have a great day, NHS. Finally.